Hi dear customer, today our company Monax presents the electrode grinding machine MR-13. Diameter of sharpened electrodes from 1.6 to 5 mm. Electrode grinding angle from 0 to 60 degrees. Diamond grinding disc diameter 60 mm. During purchasing and using this equipment, you get the following features. First, it's a minimal amount of grinding dust released during the sharpening process, which is harmful to human health. It's very important. Second, low consumption electrodes. Next, quick and easy electrode sharpening. Stepwise adjustment of angle sharpening. And last, it's low grinding disc wear. Customer, if you have interesting about this equipment, you can call us anytime and buy anytime too. See you next time!